The Toyota BZ4X shown here in concept form is an upcoming battery electric global crossover model, the Japanese automaker's first ever built new from the ground up. It rides on the dedicated eTNGA electric vehicle platform, and many of the vehicle systems were co-developed with Subaru, specifically its all-wheel drive layout. The BZ4X concept looks quite similar to a Toyota RAV4, but it has a longer wheelbase and a more angular styling. It gets a distinctive face with slim LED headlights and DRLs, a wide bumper design and narrow black strip that houses sensors for all the autonomous driving tech. This new front is a part of Toyota's hammerhead look that will make its way to other Toyota cars. Black wheel arch trim is present on the sides and the roof gets a contrasting color. The back follows the trend and incorporates a full-width LED light bar with side-hugging tail lights. The interior of the BZ4X looks comparatively tame and less futuristic compared to its exterior. That is, if you ignore the yoke-style steering wheel, which is meant to improve visibility. The digital gauge cluster is set back far apart from the steering wheel, again for better visibility, and below it Toyota has placed forward-facing cameras for driver assistance features. The Toyota BZ4X also gets an advanced steer-by-wire system. A large touchscreen extends up out of the center console, which has a rotary shifter placed in the middle and storage underneath with two USB-C ports. Overall, the cabin appears to be in a nearly production-ready form, and Toyota says the BZ4X will have the same space as a D-segment sedan. It will also come equipped with a solar recharging system that, along with a regenerating system, will add to the SUV's range. Although there has been no word from Toyota about the performance figures and actual range that the production version will possess, what is known for sure is that the model will come with all-wheel drive, and it is claimed to have impressive off-road performance. Plans are to begin worldwide sales of the production spec Toyota BZ4X concept initially in Japan and China by the middle of 2022.